Hey guys, welcome or welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some of my favorite things. My friend Natalie Hano from YouTube shared a drink from Dunkin' Donuts that supposedly tastes like a melted Haagen-Dazs coffee ice cream bar. I think that's one of the best ice creams out there. I would love to have a Haagen-Dazs ice cream bar in a drink form. So I am about to go to Dunkin' Donuts and give it a try. It is called the Iced Caramel Craze with cold foam. You have to ask for the cold foam. And I'll do a taste test with you guys. Hi, may I please order a medium iced caramel craze with cold foam?
A medium iced caramel craze with cold foam. Okay.
Yep, that's it.
Okay, I'll put it out the window. Thank you.
Thank you. Ooh, I'm excited. Thank you.
Bonk.
I got the goods. Now, let me park. So here it is. Sorry, the lighting is so bad, but there is a good amount of cold foam. Let's give it a try. Cheers.
Oh yeah.
Wow. That is a perfect description of this drink. It's officially my new favorite drink from Dunkin' Donuts. The next clip I'm gonna show you is a little birthday present that I put together for my cousin. It was from the ending of last year and I totally forgot about it. When I went back to my footage, I realized that I was missing some, so I am doing that insert right now. A little intro to it is just another gift idea that you can do for like your best friend or your sister, and it's basically a box filled with my favorite things that I think that she would enjoy as well. I'm going to show you what I put inside. For this birthday gift for my cousin, I am giving her a box filled with some of my favorite things. I have included some sweets and some beauty products. So to start off, chocolate gummy bears. Fun fact, she is the one that actually taught me how to make chocolate covered gummy bears. It tastes way better than the store-bought ones, but I seen this in the store. It reminded me of her. If you want to learn how to make chocolate covered gummy bears, I will post my video in the description box below. The next candy I enjoy is the Werther's Original Hard Candy, so I got a bag of that. Another chocolate that I really love is Andes. I know she likes to bake with these. She makes some amazing cookies, so hopefully she'll make a batch of these. Cadbury milk chocolate. Hands down, the most creamiest, silkiest chocolate. I love this. For beauty products, I included my favorite sponge or beauty blender by Urban Studio. My favorite brand of nail polish is OPI, so I included OPI base coat, a nice fall color, and hands down the best top coat is Seche Vite. It is a fast drying, super glossy top coat. Who doesn't like Bath & Body Works? I got her Winterberry Wonder. It's one of their seasonal scents. My favorite chapstick, Baby Lips by Maybelline. If you know me, you know a part of me is eyelashes. She doesn't wear lashes, but I think on special occasions she might, so I included a pair with some dual eyelash glue, another favorite glue that I use. For dry shampoo, this is maybe my number 2 favorite. My number 1 would be OB Hive by Bedhead TG, but I cannot find it anywhere. They are sold out at all the beauty supply stores. This you can find at the drugstore and it is amazing. It's really good. So I included one of that in here. And I also have this headband. If you've seen me in some of my vlogs, I am always wearing my leopard print one. I use it daily while I do my makeup. Something else that reminds me of her is the show Friends. My cousin, my sister, and I, we all love the show, and I thought this was cute. It looks like an ordering pad from Central Perk from the famous coffee shop. She is a very organized person and that she would make great use of this. So to pair it with this, I also bought her my newest favorite pens that I found at the dollar store, thanks to my sister for showing me this. This one is a retractable pen with multiple colors, and I love how it writes. So I included that with the notepad. All right, now time to make it look pretty. So I just added some tissue paper. I'm gonna layer another folded tissue paper with a birthday card. Add a little bit of heart cut confetti to be a little extra festive. So when she opens it up, hopefully she'll feel the extra love. All right, then I'm gonna fold in the flaps, cover it up, added just a simple ribbon, and then I'm just gonna slide this happy birthday cardstock right under it. And that's it. Nice and simple, a box of my favorite things for one of my favorite people. Happy birthday, Christy. Hopefully I was able to inspire some of you for some gift ideas. Again, you can really give that to anyone, your best friend, your sister, your cousin, like I did. Thank you all so much for being here with me today. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.